Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meaning. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. January 15, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. 1. Deficiency, noun.
Kami, kotahi, fukdan.
A lack or shortage. Example, deficiencies in material resources. Synonyms, insufficiency, lack, shortage, want, dearth, inadequacy, deficit, shortfall, scarcity, scarceness. Antonyms, surplus. 2. Harp, verb.
Apni baat par aane wala.
Talk or write persistently and tediously on a particular topic. Example, I don't want to harp on about the past. Synonyms, keep on about, persist in talking about, keep talking about, labor the point about, dwell on. Antonyms, undercharge, spread, fearfulness. 3. Pragmatic, adjective.
Hakikat pasandi, amaliyat.
Dealing with things sensibly and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. Synonyms, practical, matter-of-fact, realistic, sensible, down-to-earth, commonsensical. Antonyms, impractical, unrealistic, idealistic. 4. Paradigm, noun.
Naksh awal, namuna, misal, ibtidai.
A typical example or pattern of something, a pattern or model. Example, society's paradigm of the ideal woman. Synonyms, model, pattern, example, standard, prototype, archetype, ideal, gauge, criterion. Antonyms, follower, unworthy, expand, increase. 5. Coincide, verb.
Ek saath hona, ek waqt mein hona, mutabiq.
Occur at the same time. Example, publication is timed to coincide with a major exhibition. Synonyms, occur simultaneously, happen together, happen at the same time, be concurrent. Antonyms, differ. 6. Abundantly, adverb.
Farwani se, buhtat se, kasrat se.
In large quantities, plentifully. Example, the plant grows abundantly in the wild. Synonyms, copiously, plentifully, amply, profusely, exuberantly, prolifically, luxuriantly. Antonyms, sparsely. 7. Cohort, noun.
Hamahangi, jamaat, hum logon ka giro.
A group of people with a shared characteristic. Example, a cohort of civil servants patiently drafting legislation. Synonyms, group, grouping, category, categorization, grade, grading, classification. Antonyms, adversary, antagonist, attacker, bad person. 8. Revive, verb.
Behoshi se hosh mein aana, aha, jaan dalna.
Restore to life or consciousness. Example, both men collapsed, but were revived. Synonyms, resuscitate, bring round, bring to life, bring back to consciousness. Antonyms, torpefy. 9. Herculean, adjective.
Bahut taaqatwar, sabr azma.
Requiring great strength or effort. Example, a Herculean task. Synonyms, arduous, grueling, laborious, backbreaking, onerous, strenuous, difficult. Antonyms, easy. 10. Testify, verb.
Gawahi dena, subut hona, iman se.
Give evidence as a witness in a law court. Example, he testified against his own commander. Synonyms, give evidence, bear witness, be a witness, give one's testimony, attest. Antonyms, deny. 11. Traction, noun.
Khechne ka amal, kenacha, chalaya jana.
The action of drawing or pulling something over a surface, especially a road or track. Example, a primitive vehicle used in animal traction. Synonyms, grip, friction, adhesion, purchase, resistance, pull, haulage, propulsion, drag. Antonyms, repel, push, sheath, refrain. 12th chunk, noun.
बड़ा टुकड़ा, गिल्टी.
A thick, solid piece of something. Example, huge chunks of masonry littered the street. Synonyms, lump, hunk, wedge, block, slab, square, nugget, nub, brick, cube. Antonyms, atom, crumb, dot, fleck, flyspeck, fragment. 13 irony, noun.
तंज, मुज़हकाखेज़.
The expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically for humorous or emphatic effect. Example, don't go overboard with the gratitude, he rejoined with heavy irony. Synonyms, sarcasm, sardonicism, dryness, causticity, sharpness, acerbity, acid. Antonyms, sincerity. 14 smear, verb.
दाग लगाना, किरदार कशी, तोहमत.
Coat or mark, something, messily or carelessly with a greasy or sticky substance. Example, his face was smeared with dirt. Synonyms, streak, smudge, stain, mark, soil, dirty, blur, splotch, splodge, besmirch. Antonyms, clean, collect, purify, honor. 15 vilification, noun.
किरदार कशी, तोहमत, रुस्वा करना.
Abusively disparaging speech or writing. Example, the widespread vilification of politicians. Synonyms, condemnation, criticism, censure, castigation, denunciation, vituperation, abuse. Antonyms, praise. 16 annoyance, noun.
झुंझलाहट, मुसीबत, गुस्सा दिलाने वाली.
The feeling or state of being annoyed, irritation. Example, there was annoyance at government interference. Synonyms, irritation, exasperation, vexation, indignation, anger, crossness, displeasure, chagrin, pique. Antonyms, pleasure. 17 fumble, verb.
घबराए फिरना, टटोलना.
Do or handle something clumsily. Example, she fumbled with the lock. Synonyms, grope, feel about, search blindly, scrabble around, muddle around, fish, delve, cast about for. Antonyms, succeed, do well. 18 imbalance, noun.
गैर मुतवाजिन, अदम तवाजुन.
Lack of proportion or relation between corresponding things. Example, tension is generated by the imbalance of power. Synonyms, disparity, variance, unevenness, polarity, contrast, variation, disproportion, lopsidedness. Antonyms, balance, parity. 19 tumultuous, adjective.
इंतशार अंगेज, अफरातफरी से भरपूर.
Making an uproar or loud, confused noise. Example, tumultuous applause. Synonyms, loud, deafening, thunderous, thundering, ear-shattering, ear-splitting, ear-piercing. Antonyms, soft. 20 trajectory, noun.
खत हरकत, मदार.
The path followed by a projectile flying or an object moving under the action of given forces. Example, the missile's trajectory was preset. Synonyms, course, route, path, track, line, orbit, flight, flight path, ambit, direction, bearing. Antonyms, uncreativeness. 21 immense, adjective.
बहुत ज़्यादा, अजीम, दिव्यकल.
Extremely large or great, especially in scale or degree. Example, the cost of restoration has been immense. Synonyms, huge, vast, massive, enormous, gigantic, colossal, cosmic, great, very large. Antonyms, tiny. 22 archaic, adjective.
दकियानूसी, बहुत पुराना, कदीम.
Very old or old-fashioned. Example, prisons are run on archaic methods. Synonyms, obsolete, obsolescent, out of date, anachronistic, old-fashioned, outmoded, behind the times. Antonyms, new, modern. 23 ambition, noun.
तमन्ना, आजू, हवस.
A strong desire to do or achieve something. Example, her ambition was to become a pilot. Synonyms: aspiration, intention, goal, aim, objective, object, purpose, intent, plan, scheme. Antonyms: indifference, inappetency, contentment, moderation. 24. Amiss, adjective.
गलत अंदाज से, बेजा.
Not quite right, inappropriate or out of place. Example: there was something amiss about his calculations. Synonyms: wrong, awry, faulty, out of order, defective, unsatisfactory, incorrect, untoward. Antonyms: right, in order. 25. Thrive, verb.
फरोग पाना, फलना फूलना, पनपना.
Of a child, animal, or plant, grow or develop well or vigorously. Example: the new baby thrived. Synonyms: flourish, prosper, grow vigorously, develop well, burgeon, bloom, blossom, do well. Antonyms: decline, wither, fail. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.